Good morning, children. Today we are going to see a new chapter, Safety and First Aid. What is safety? The condition of being protected from or unlikely to cause danger, risk, or injury. What is it? We have to be protected from any accidents, right? That is the precautionary measures which we take is called as the safety. Clear? Or the safety, what does it do? It reduces the chances of accidental injury. Either it's physical or mentally. The injury can happen either physically or it may also affect us mentally, right? If you allow some discipline in your life, then these things would not happen to you, right? If you follow some rules, so you will not get injured or you will not meet any accidents. A happy person makes always others also happy, right? What are the measures which you have to follow? We have to even follow safety at home also, right? We have to follow even some rules to be followed at home also. Why? Because the accidents can even take place inside our home. Therefore, we have to follow some safety rules inside our home to be safe. First, we will see about the safety in kitchen. What are the rules to be followed or what are safety measures to be taken in the kitchen? What is it? First thing is that we should not go close to the gas stove when something is cooking or when your mother is cooking in the stove, or if any vessel is there on the stove, you should not go near the stove, right? The next is that you should not play with fire. You should never play with fire or even matchsticks, or if you're lighting any matchsticks, you should just extinguish thoroughly and then throw it in the dustbin. Clear? Next, we have to always throw the fruits and vegetable peels only in the dustbin, right? For example, the banana peel, after eating banana, you'll throw the banana peel, right? Where should you throw? You should throw only in the dustbin, because someone or somebody may slip on that banana peels, right? Because it is very wet. Next is that you should not play with sharp objects like knives, blades, right? Needles and all. You should not play with all these sharp objects. If you want to use any sharp objects, you should have the guidance from your parents, so that they will help you to do that work. Still more, some of the safety rules you have to follow. We'll see what is it. First is that you should not run on the stairs. You should walk slowly on the stairs. Why? Because you may even slip and fall from the stairs. So you have to walk slowly on the stairs. Next, you should not you should not bend over the balconies or from the windows, because you may slip and fall out, right? Next is that you should not touch any electrical appliances, right, like your plug or switches with your wet hands, because it can cause you shock. Next is that you should not play inside your bathroom with the soap. You should not play in the bathroom with the soap, right? Next, you should not burn any crackers inside your home. Inside your home, you should not burn any crackers. Next, you should not take any medicines on your own. You should not take any medicines on your own. If you are feeling fever or cough, something else, you have to ask your parents so that they will help you to take the medicines. You should have the parents' guidance to take the medicines. Next is that you should not play with the plastic bags. You can see so many plastic bags at home, right? What you will do? You used to put it on your head and play, but you should not do it. Why? Because it can even stop you from breathing. So you should follow all these rules to be safe at home. Clear, children? Thank you. We'll see the rest in our next class.